Okay, we've got our Nikon FM10 and we're in downtown Indianapolis, and I took a wrong turn, but this is kind of cool. So I'm going to go ahead and it's a fully manual camera, other than of course it does have a light meter in it. You don't need the light meter technically to operate the camera, but it certainly does help. So let's see what we come up with here with our Kodak Gold 200. This is a 36-72 Nikon zoom. Very unusual number, but we'll see what we get here. So I'm going to go all the way out, wide open, and at 1/25 of a second, and that's at f/16, so we're getting some great depth of field here. Focusing on the fence. That's downtown Indianapolis and Lucas Oil Stadium where the Colts play. So hopefully those will come out of interest. Okay, so this is a neat shot here. The restaurant's not open. Looks like they're opening June 6th though. And we're all the way back down to f/8, 1/25 of a second. Okay, it gives us some good depth of field. And let's take this shot. There we go. I'm gonna get up and get a couple close-up shots. Some very neat stuff over here. They're actually open. Here we go. Oh, just so neat. Here's our root beer. Okay, so now we've got to go down to 60th of a second, all the way to 3.5. Okay, I can see I'm going to waste the rest of my shots here. Let's see. Oh, so neat. Oh, neat. So cool. Awesome. Okay, we're at 1/25 of a second, and with the clouds and everything, we are at about 3.5 to 4. Excellent. I'll do one more shot here. Yeah. Oh. So I'm on 1/25 of a second, and I had to go almost f/16 on that, which is good because it should give me some good depth of field. Again, we're using our Kodak Gold 200. I think we're getting some good results. Proof will be in the pudding when I get the film back. I went ahead and overexposed that one. I believe we are at our roll's limit. We're at the end of our roll. Excellent. All right, well, we'll take it to Robert's camera, let him develop it, see what we come up with.